Good morning, learners.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing today?
We are fine, and how are you, sir?
Okay, I'm also fine. So, as we remember, yesterday we did about length, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what did we do about length yesterday? Yes,
We were
sir.
talking about rounding off length on a number line.
Yes.
Or in general.
Yes, we were doing rounding off length in number line and in general, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
today you are going to focus on measurement, right?
Yes.
But before we enter in our topic, let's do our mental math, like as usual, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, here is our mental math, right? So today we are not going to write our mental math in our books, but we'll do a call up, right? We'll call up our answers, right?
Yes.
So number A, it says 60 divided by 5. It's how much? Yes.
12.
It's 12, right?
Yes.
Then number B says 35 divided by 5. Yes.
7.
It's 7, right? Number C says 15 divided by 5. Yes.
3.
Is 3. Then number D, it says 45 divided by 5 is how much? I need another one. Okay. Okay, sharp. Yes.
9.
9, right? And number E says 20 divided by 5 is how much? Yes, himself.
4.
It's 4, right? And number F it says 40 divided by 5. So how much? Yes.
2.
Is 2.
No.
So let's correct her. Yes.
8.
8. And number G, it says 55 divided by 5 is how much? Yes.
11.
It's 11, right?
Yes.
So number H, the last one, 200 divided by 5. That's all called the answer. Yes.
4.
40. Okay, we are done with our mental math, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
before we enter into our topic, let's look at our learning intentions and success criteria, right?
Yes.
So our learning intention says we are learning to know and understand about the instrument of measurement. And when I read, can you please read with me? Eh?
Yes.
Okay, we say we are
learning to know and
understand
understand
the instrument of measurement.
Okay, let's read again.
We are learning to know and understand about the instruments of measurement.
Here is our success criteria. They say you say I can define measurement. I can identify instruments of measurement. I can name instruments of measurement and their uses. Right?
Yes.
Okay, let's read.
I can define measurement. I can identify instruments of measurement. I can name instruments of measurement and their uses.
And their uses. Right?
Yes.
So okay, so I want you all to tell me, what do you see on our whiteboard? What do you see on our whiteboard? Have you ever saw this picture somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Where?
In a car.
In a car.
Yes.
Do you know the name of it?
No, sir.
Okay, the name of it is odometer. This is one of our example of instrument of measurement. The name of it is odometer. And another thing, we must know the use of this instrument. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
The use of this instrument is to measure a distance from one place to another.
Yes.
From example, it measures a distance from Soshanguve to Pretoria town. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so it's one of our example of our instruments. Okay, normally in our mathematics, we use 5 instruments of measurement. Right?
Yes, sir.
5 instruments of measurement. We have a ruler. Do you all know what is a ruler?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have a tape measure. Do you know what is a tape measure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have a measuring tape. Do you know what is a measuring tape?
Yes,
We
sir.
also have a triangle wheel. Do you know what is a triangle wheel?
No, sir.
Okay, we also, the last one we have odometer. Odometer we talked about it. Eh?
Yes,
So,
sir.
number 1 we have a ruler. A ruler. Okay, you all know what's a ruler. This is a ruler.
Yes.
So, what can we use to measure using this ruler? Yes, a book. We can measure a book using this ruler.
Yes, sir.
Another example. Yes,
A table.
a table. Yeah, it's also correct. Eh? Okay, another one.
A pencil.
A pencil. Like sharp. Let's move on to the next example of instrument of measurement. Right? So we have a tape measure. Do you all know what's a tape measure?
Yes.
Have you ever seen this before?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where? Yes.
When my mother is making clothes for me, they use a tape measure to measure my size.
Okay, when your mother
It's sewing clothes for
is
me.
yes, she's correct, right?
Yes.
So we use this tape measure to measure clothes, blankets, iron.
Yes,
Okay, another instrument of measurement we have measuring tape. Right?
Yes.
Where else have you ever seen this? Yes.
At home, when my father was making a cake.
Yes. Yes. Right?
Yes.
Another example, yes. Okay, let's help. Right? Okay, we use this instrument of measurement to measure maybe a big object. Right?
Yes.
For example, a gate, right?
Yes, sir.
Or a door. Another example we can, yes,
A room. The size of a room.
the size of a room. Right?
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the next example, which is our triangle wheel. Eh? I heard you said you don't know the triangle wheel. Eh?
Yes.
Okay, this triangle wheel they used to measure a schoolyard ground. Eh? Okay,
Mm.
sharp. Then the last one is odometer. Then we talked about it, eh? But I want to hear from did you help me? Eh? So what can I measure using this odometer? Yes,
The distance from one point to another.
yes, a distance from one point to another.
Yes.
Yes. What can I measure using this odometer? Yes.
The distance from Shoshanguve to Pretoria town.
Okay, a distance from Soshanguve to Pretoria town. Eh?
Yes.
Okay. Here we have our notes. Eh? Here we have our notes. I need them in my classwork book. Eh? Then after we are done with these notes, we are going to go back to our learning intention and success criteria to ensure that we achieved our success criteria, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm giving you 3 minutes to complete. I'm giving you 3 minutes to complete the notes, right?
Yes.
Okay, here we are. Are we done with our notes?
Yes.
Okay, sharp. So now we go back to our learning intention. I want to see if we achieved our learning intention and success criteria. So our learning intention says we are learning to know and understand about the instrument of measurement. What do we understand about instrument of measurement? I'm going to throw this ball to one of you. Right? So if you catch this ball, you are going to answer. If you can't answer, you just call your friends. Right?
Yes.
Okay. What do you understand about instrument of measurement? Yes.
We use instruments of measurements to measure small objects and large objects.
Yes, we use instrument of measurement to measure small objects and big objects. Another one.
We also use instruments of measurements to measure the distance.
Yes, we also use instrument of measurements to measure distance.
Yes.
So now we can see we achieved our learning intention, right? So now let's move to success criteria. Our success criteria says I can define measurement. Are we now can define measurement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is measurement?
Sir, can I phone my friend?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, we can phone your friend, right? It's okay. Yeah.
Can you please help me with defining what is measurement?
Measurement is the distance from point A to point B.
Yes. A measurement is the distance from point A to point B. Right? Let's see for number 2. Right? Number 2 it says identify instrument of measurement. From number 2, let me show you these pictures, and you will identify them and call their names. Right?
Yes.
So can we identify this picture? What is the name of this instrument of measurement? Yes.
Tape measure.
It's a tape measure, right?
Yes.
Yes. For our another picture, what is the name of this instrument?
It's a measuring tape.
It's a measuring tape, right? For this picture, what is the name of this instrument?
Is a triangle wheel.
A what?
A triangle wheel.
A triangle wheel, right?
Yes.
So for our, I think it's the last picture. What is the name of this picture? Yes?
Odometer.
Is the odometer. So we can see where we are now can define or identify.
Sir,
Yes.
you left another one out.
I left which one?
A ruler.
Oh, I left a ruler.
Ruler.
Yes, thank you, my dear. So we can see what we can identify instrument of measurement, right?
Yes.
And also we can define measurement, right?
Yes.
So now, number 3 says I can name instrument of measurement. We can name instrument of measurement, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
and their uses. But now I want to check if we can list uses of measurement, right?
Yes, sir.
From this picture, odometer. What can I measure using this odometer? Yes.
We can measure distance from point A to point B.
Yes, we can measure a distance from point A to point B. Yeah? From this picture, what can I measure using this picture? Using this triangle wheel? Yes.
You can measure the space of maybe a ground or a big yard.
Yes, we can measure a distance of a big yard or a ground. Right? From this picture, I want Malemana. Malemana. Who is Malemana? Who is Malemana? Yes, Malemana. Can you tell us what can we measure using this measuring tape? A what? A gauge. Eh? Is he right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
For our last picture, we did it. No, we didn't. So for our last picture, I want her name is Chiu. Her name is Chiu. So Chiu, what can I measure using this measuring tape?
We use this measuring tape to take my measurement for when they're sewing me a dress. Or
Yes, we use this instrument of measurement to measure our clothes. Eh? Yes. I can see now we achieved our success criteria. We can define measurement, identify instrument of measurement, name instrument of measurement, and their usage. Eh?
Yes.
So before we do our classwork activity, I need a volunteer. I need one learner to volunteer and come in front of us and tell us what we have done today in today's lesson, right?
Yes.
So I need a volunteer. Okay, okay, Theo, okay.
Good morning, everyone. On today's lesson, I learned that measurement is the distance between point A and point B. And I also learned that we can use measurement instruments to measure small objects and large objects. For example, we can use a ruler to measure a book, and we can use a saddle wheel to measure distance in long yards, and we can also use a measuring tape to measure the distance of a gate. Thank you.
Okay, she's correct, right? Okay, can we, let me explain our classwork activity. It says, from this table below, write instrument of measurement that we can use when measuring this object. Right? For example, number A is what? Pencil. Like, what can we use to measure a pencil? Like, what can we use? Yes, Malama. A ruler, right? Okay, from clip to tissue box. Please write them fast. I'm giving this. That one is simple, right? So I'm giving you 3 to 4 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes to complete the class. You are writing, Malama.
Yes, I'm right.
Those who are done, you can raise up your hand. Yes. When you are done, raise up your hand, right? Yeah, raise up your hand. Yes. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up, guys. Oh, we are all done, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, let's mark our class work quickly. Number 8 is pencil. We said it's a ruler. Number B is a clip. What can we measure using
A ruler.
a ruler, right? Number C is a clipboard, right? A clipboard.
A ruler.
A ruler. Number is a crayon. Crayon.
A ruler.
A ruler. Okay. Play duff.
A ruler.
A ruler, right? Number a chair.
A measuring.
How?
A
A chair.
measuring
What
tape.
can we measure? A chair. Which
Tape
instrument can
measure.
we measure? Yeah.
Tape measure.
Is a tape measure, right?
Yes.
Yes. Number. The last one is tissue box. Tissue box.
A ruler.
Okay, a ruler, right? We have our homework. Homework. Where is the homework? Homework. Do you all have our DBE book 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In our DBE workbook 2, on page 94 to 95, number 99. All of them number 99, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. write the homework down quickly. Then after, quickly guys. Okay, we are done with our lesson, right?
Yes, sir.
And we must not forget, guys, this today's topic is very simple. Out of all topics of term 3, right? Okay, before I forgot, tomorrow we are going to do, we are still in measurement, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
tomorrow we are going to do units of measurement, right?
Yes, sir.
I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.